Do you enjoy making handmade crafts and want to turn your hobby into a profitable business? Opening an Etsy shop can be the perfect way to showcase your creations and reach a global audience. From jewelry and pottery to knitted items and custom art, Etsy provides a platform for crafters to monetize their skills. The first step is deciding what type of handmade crafts you'll sell. Popular categories include jewelry, custom earrings, necklaces or bracelets, home decor, items like candles, macrame wall hangings or decorative pillows, apparel, hand-knitted scarves, embroidered hats or personalized t-shirts, stationery handmade cards, planners, or calligraphy prints. Choose a niche that aligns with your passion and skills while also having demand on Etsy. Next, set up your Etsy shop. It's straightforward. Go to Etsy.com and click Sell on Etsy. Create an account and add details about your shop like the name, location, and currency. Upload a professional-looking shop banner and logo to establish your brand identity. A polished shop appearance can attract more buyers. Your product listings are the key to making sales. Here's how to make them stand out. Photos. Use clear, high-resolution images from multiple angles. Descriptions. Write engaging, detailed descriptions highlighting your product's materials, size, and purpose. Pricing. Research similar items on Etsy to set competitive prices that account for materials and labor. Step 4. Optimize for Etsy search or SEO. Etsy is a search-driven platform, so SEO is crucial. Add relevant keywords to your product titles, descriptions, and tags to help your items appear in search results. For example, your title could be Handmade Ceramic Coffee Mug, Perfect Personalized Gift for Coffee Lovers. For tags, include phrases like handmade mug, coffee gift, or ceramic pottery. Step 5. Provide excellent customer service. Great customer service can turn buyers into repeat customers. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. When shipping your products, use sturdy packaging to ensure they arrive safely and include a thank you note for a personal touch. Step 6. Promote your shop. Promoting your Etsy shop on social media can drive more traffic and sales. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for showcasing handmade items. Post photos, behind-the-scenes videos, and customer reviews to engage your audience. Running Etsy ads is another way to increase visibility within the platform. Step 7. Expand your product line. Once you establish your shop, consider expanding your product line. Add seasonal items like holiday-themed decor or bundle multiple products into gift sets. This can help you reach new customers and boost sales. Common mistakes to avoid. Many new Etsy sellers make avoidable mistakes. Here's what to watch out for. 1. Poor photos. Blurry or poorly lit images can turn customers away. 2. Overpricing or underpricing. Don't price too high or too low without considering your costs and market rates. 3. Inconsistent branding. Use a cohesive style across your shop to appear professional. 4. Ignoring customer feedback. Learn from reviews to improve your products and service. Conclusion. Turn your passion into profit. By opening an Etsy shop, you can turn your passion for crafting into a thriving online business. With a little effort and creativity, the possibilities are endless. So, start today and take the first step toward earning money online with your handmade creations. Want more ideas on how to make money online? Click on the video link on your screen to discover other exciting opportunities in freelancing and online businesses. Don't miss out.